Kesi Teri Khudgarzi, a very top of the list drama of Pakistan, hit drama serial जिस पे बहुत से लोगों ने अच्छे कमेंट्स भी किए हैं और बहुत से लोगों ने बैड कमेंट्स भी दिए हैं. वेल इट डिपेंड्स किसको कितना अच्छा लगा और किसने इसको किस तरह से देखा. एवरीबडी हैज़ देयर ओन पॉइंट ऑफ व्यूज़. सो वेल विल टॉक अबाउट ऑल द कमेंट्स जो इस ड्रामे को दिए गए हैं. कुछ अच्छे भी हैं, कुछ बुरे भी हैं, कुछ इंडिया से, कुछ पाकिस्तान से. लेट्स डिस्कस देम ऑल. So Muhammad Abdullah says an absolute roller coaster with Danish Taimur, keeping audiences stunned with his evil good shades. So Manijaz is a wonderful as always, but my most favorite characters are Mehak's parents. The way they are pulling off all emotional scenes is really heart touching with goosebumps moments in each scene. Well, what's the next? Excellent performance of the entire cast, especially the backbone of the series, actor Danish Taimur, who plays Shamsher, and the actor portraying the lead actress father. These two characters have taken the series to another level. Also kudos to Danish stylist in the series, whoever has done it. Pranita Fundalik from India. Lovely. Sagarika Vardhan. I'm from India. I just love the show. Kesi Teri Khudgarzi. Everyone characters are superb. The storyline is mind-blowing. I love Danish Taimur, my favorite actor. I'm watching every episode again and again. Danish Taimur acting superb. Love from India. Thank you, Sagarika. This is the way people are actually taking it. Absar Fatima says it's a terrible drama serial which is romanticizing criminal behavior. No matter how it will end, the way they are portraying the character of Shamsher is wrong on so many levels. Music playing on his scenes, slow motions, training the heroine with defection, blah blah blah. Well, सबका अपना अपना level होता है देखने का. She is not liking it, so we should not criticize her. It's her point of view. So Vidvata Sinha says you should try to make a reverse drama where a rich and influential gangster girl do the same to a middle class man as Shamsher is doing to the girl. She says कि मतलब यही ड्रामा हो मगर कैरेक्टर्स ऑपोजिट हो. लाइक जो अभी शमशेर कर रहा है वो दुर्रे फिशा कर रही हो. वेल वेरी गुड सजेशन. ऐसी भी लड़कियां हैं, ऐसा भी करना चाहिए लोगों को. आई मीन ड्रामा बनाने वालों को, मेकर्स को. Good suggestion, Vidvata Sinha. She is not liking the drama in the way he has a gun always with him. Okay, Queen Zara Creation says it's pretty good drama. Actually, some people does not like it, but in my opinion, this drama is super because of the adorable acting of Dure Fisha. Khaja Moinuddin. Most beautiful, heart-touching serial. Thank you. So that's all for today. बहुत अच्छे कमेंट्स भी थे, बुरे भी थे. वेल हमने सब कुछ डिस्कस किया. कुछ ने पॉजिटिव लिया, कुछ ने नेगेटिव लिया. बट द पॉइंट इज़ कि जो ड्रामा है वो कोई पॉजिटिव ले, नेगेटिव ले, हिट लिस्ट पे तो है. अल्लाह हाफिज़.